most expensive apartments in Dubai. Dubai is known for having some of the best residences in the world, as well as offering one of the finest lifestyles in the world. This architecture and fittings are very high quality, and they have ample luxury spaces. When it comes to apartment, the city will provide you with a plethora of options, as it is home to numerous luxury towers that house exquisite apartments of various sizes. If you want to buy your own apartment, look for one that is in a freehold area and offers investment opportunities to GCC nationals, residents, and non-residents. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the most expensive apartments in Dubai. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Full floor penthouse in Dubai Marina, 45 million AED. This unique 5-bedroom full floor penthouse in Barari is 14,350 square feet. A 500 square foot sky terrace is included in the ultra-modern and magnificent royal penthouse. The home has 7 bathrooms, a study, 2 maids' rooms, 2 driver's rooms, a storage room, an open kitchen, and an equipped laundry room with 360-degree views of the Palm Jumeirah and Dubai Marina, smart home technology, concierge service, valet parking, private elevator, 3 assigned parking spaces, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, gym, and swimming pool are all among the luxurious amenities available. Number 2. Designer penthouse in Dubai Marina, 38 million to 42 million AED. This is a one-of-a-kind full-floor penthouse in Cayenne Tower. It has 5 bedrooms and 11,142 square feet of living space. The apartment, which has been upgraded to a very high standard, was designed by award-winning designers and architects and includes one-of-a-kind modern pop art features. It comes fully furnished, with all the furnishings hand-picked and custom-built for this property. 7 bathrooms, an office, a private 9-seater cinema, a spa with steam room, a fully equipped gym, a sauna with shower, a lounge and nightclub area, a well-stocked bar, and a DJ booth are all included in the penthouse. There are also 2 maids' rooms, a storage room, an open kitchen, and a laundry room. The penthouse features amenities such as reception service, concierge service, 3 assigned parking spaces, a jacuzzi, and a swimming pool, as well as views of Dubai's skyline. Number 3. Largest penthouse in downtown Dubai, 35 million AED. This is the largest penthouse in Dubai's newly renovated address downtown. The apartment has 4 bedrooms and is 7,018 square feet in size. The unit comes fully furnished and has never been lived in, with views of the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Fountain, and Dubai Mall. The house also has 6 bathrooms, a dry pantry, a closed kitchen, and a fully equipped laundry room. Residents will enjoy views of Dubai's skyline, as well as amenities such as an infinity pool, concierge service, valet parking, private elevator, 3 assigned parking spaces, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, communal gym, and private barbecue area. Number 4. Full floor penthouse in Business Bay, 31.5 million AED. The Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Water Canal are visible from this 5-bedroom penthouse in Valente Business Bay. The unit comes with smart home technology and has a built-up area of 10,788 square feet. There are also 6 bathrooms, a study, 7 maid rooms, a driver's room, a dry pantry, a storage room, an open kitchen with appliances, and an open equipped laundry room. The amenities include reception service, concierge service, valet parking, private elevator, 4 assigned parking spaces, jacuzzi, steam room, communal sauna, and communal barbecue, all with views of Dubai skyline. Number 5. Stunning penthouse in downtown Dubai, 27.5 million AED. This 5-bedroom penthouse, which is part of the Vita Residences in downtown Dubai, has been finished to a high standard and offers a panoramic view of the city. The apartment has a built-up area of 6,695 square feet and is furnished to a 5-star standard. There are 6 bathrooms, a maid's room, and a closed kitchen. The residence includes services such as reception, concierge, valet parking, 3 assigned parking spaces, a jacuzzi, and a gym. Number 6. Half-floor penthouse in Jumeirah Bay. Bulgari Resorts and Residences is home to this half-floor penthouse. The unit has 4 bedrooms and 6,585 square feet of living space. The home's interiors have been beautifully finished, and it has views of the sea and the Burj Khalifa. It also has 5 bathrooms, a maid's room, a driver's room, a laundry, and a closed kitchen, with everything you need. Overflow pool, reception service, concierge service, private elevator, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, and gymnasium are among the amenities available. It is worth 27 million AED. Number 7. Contemporary penthouse in downtown Dubai. The 118 is home to this contemporary penthouse with bespoke elements. The apartment has 4 bedrooms and a total area of 6,650 square feet. It features smart home technology and views of Dubai skyline, a maid's room, a driver's room, a dry pantry, laundry, a storage room, an equipped closed kitchen, and a laundry room are also included in the unit. An infinity pool, reception service, concierge service, private elevator, 3 assigned parking spaces, steam room, and gymnasium are among the amenities available to residents. It is almost nearly 25.4 million AED. Number 8. Stylish penthouse on Palm Jumeirah. This apartment is part of the prestigious Maruba residence and is located on the man-made island of Palm Jumeirah. The apartment has a total area of 6,312 square feet and has 5 bedrooms. The apartment's floor-to-ceiling windows make the visual transition between inside and outside spaces imperceptible. There are 4 bathrooms, a maid's room, and an open kitchen in the unit. An infinity pool, reception service, 3 assigned parking spaces, and a gym are among the amenities. It cost almost 25.08 million AED. Number 9. Duplex Penthouse in DIFC. This luxury 5-bedroom duplex penthouse is located in the Dubai International Financial Center's Sky Gardens, or DIFC. It is a built-up area of 5,404 square feet and offers spectacular views of Dubai's skyline. The unit comes fully furnished with top-of-the-line luxury furnishings and is Vastu compliant. There are also 5 bathrooms, a storage room, a closed kitchen, and a laundry room, reception service, 2 assigned parking spaces, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, gymnasium, and barbecue area are all included in the home's amenities. It ranges from 20 million to 25 million AED. Number 10. Triplex Penthouse in Dubai Marina. This stunning 3-bedroom triplex penthouse is part of Marinascape and has breathtaking views of Dubai's skyline. The apartment also has 5 bathrooms, a study, a maid's room, a storage room, a fully equipped open kitchen, and a fully equipped laundry, an infinity pool, a temperature-controlled pool, reception, concierge, valet parking, private elevator, 3 assigned parking spaces, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, and gymnasium are among the amenities. It is worth almost 22.5 million AED. Number 11. 7th Heaven Al Barari. In its 2 stunning developments, 7th Heaven and Ashjar, Al Barari, which is known for some of Dubai's finest villas, also offers a unique selection of contemporary apartments. 7th Heaven has a unique aesthetic and combines modern design with the natural beauty of Al Barari. This 3-bedroom duplex is a one-of-a-kind option, fully furnished with smart European-style interiors and 180-degree views of Dubai's skyline. 7th Heaven also has its own shopping center, which opens up at the community's beautiful green walkways and lakes. Number 12. Elite Residence, Dubai Marina. This is yet another fantastic contemporary-style penthouse, complete with a large open-plan living room and a hacker-designed kitchen featuring high-quality male appliances, as well as a home automation system. This is also one of the few penthouses in the marina with a private pool, allowing you to relax in the privacy of your own home while gazing out over the Marina district. Number 13. 23 Marina, Dubai Marina. If you are looking for the most awe-inspiring penthouse in all of Dubai, then look no further. Occupying levels 88 to 90 of the 23 Marina Tower, this 5-bedroom home is the very definition of spectacular. You have multiple living rooms and lounges located along each of its levels, 2 dining rooms, a beautiful show kitchen, a commercial-grade chef's kitchen, a private gym with sauna and outdoor plunge pool, and a party hall on the topmost level with an adjoining DJ booth and mini discotheque. The views from the penthouse are unbelievable, taking in a full 360-degree view of the city all the way to its southernmost border and the beautiful Arabian Sea. The demand for luxury rentals has skyrocketed in the last year, with most tenants looking to improve their lifestyle and living space. You have some truly fantastic options to choose from if you want a new long-term residence that exudes complete refinement. And that's all for today, guys. Enlighten us with your thoughts. Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.